for the cabin crew.
Yeah.
This is for the cabin crew, and the cockpit crew is the. You can go in.
Can I go in?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh wow, it's more spacious than I thought. So I'm sorry, you were saying,
Yeah.
so this is for the cabin crew?
This is for the cabin crew.
Alright.
So we have on the forward end.
For the,
Yeah, and only 2 seats.
okay.
But because we carry 2 sets of the crew.
Uh-huh.
So
2 hours, there's a relief crew.
So the 2 seats are in the front side.
Oh, okay.
Same configuration, but only 2 seats.
Oh, okay.
Do you have the staff in now? Yeah. Oh, it's ready.
I know, I can see it. It's like, it's like. So you guys find it?
No, no.
And also we can use the mouse, and also we do have the remote. And for the seat itself, it's about which one? Right. It's 180 degrees fully flat, as I mentioned before. And also we do have one another feature, which is the massage.
Yeah.
Can you feel
I
it?
can feel it.
Here we go. Thank you so much, sir. You have a good day. Thank you, sir.
Can I try this one?
Yes, you can, sir.
The right
yeah,
side?
it is.
Which manufacturer is this? Bose or which?
It's a Qatar one.
Yeah, but I mean.
I know.
others?
Setup
Okay.
was the service. Yeah. And this one is just for the medium haul flight. We do have the comfort pouch, and for long haul flight we do have comfort bag, which is contains your.
That one.
No, this one is pouch. We do have the comfort bag. I'll show it to you later.
Okay.
And there was amenity kits as well.
This is a standard for business class, not only 7 business class.
Yes.
conventional toilets
Yes.
or something
It is
special?
conventional, so you have to, you know, you have to twist it
Okay,
out.
so
It's not that conventional.
But it's a little bigger. It feels, yeah, it's
So
more
you
space
can-
than.
more space, but pretty conventional actually.
Is it?
Yeah,
It is. It depends. I mean, yeah.
more spacious.
Yeah, if you know you drink water, you just scan it, like just put your hand on the bottom.
Just a little.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, it is. This is for long haul flight for US flights. US flights and Montreal, and San Paulo, and also what else? And Australia. We set up this mattress.
Oh, so this extra one. You just place
Yes.
it. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just place it
Ah.
out. So, that one here. That was it.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
So only really, really long haul services.
It's the same thing. Nothing to take. It's the same thing. Just it's like touch screen because we do have three. Yes, because it's 3 and 3 and 3 configuration.
Yeah, that's great. And how many inches do you have here? 31, 32?
Could be. Could be good.
Yeah, this 333 is better than Emirates 343. You know?
Yes, exactly.
It's really
Very
comfortable.
nice.
Thank
Can I see the overhead?
yeah.
This is the same for other things.
Yes, it's probably just the fancy one. Right, so here we go, and I'll show you the bar. As you
Sure.
mentioned before, it was down and below.
Yeah.
We got it
Woo.
up with the gurney plus lavatories, toilets, small one.
That's standard.
It's pretty warm.
What about these seats? You have like footrest here? All in this row? The footrest.
Well, this is it does come with the from Boeing itself, so
Only the first row.
only for the first row.
Are you charging
No.
extra price?
No.
Yeah.
What move on? You have big ones inside. Have to use it. And it's only used for long haul flight. If you want to pop
Ah,
up, you
Sure,
can go
thank
ahead.
you.
Is this the crew? Does
It's
this
only for
include?
cabin crew.
Oh, okay, so the
For
pilots.
flight crew will be right in the front there.
Okay.
Just near the
So
near the cockpit.
on long haul flights, you usually have two sets of crew.
Yes.
Two captains, two
Yes,
first
to
officers.
say, yeah, to say.
And they swap.
Yeah.
Okay. Other than the number of passengers and the range, is there a difference in between the 200 and 300 ER?
Do you mean what do you mean like?
I mean, in terms of facilities for the passengers and for you as flight attendants.
No, exactly the same one. It's only just the seat.
The seat
is
itself.
only the seat. The
Okay.
seat. You know, how many seats that we
All right.
we have there. Was
Okay.
just only the difference. The difference only the seat.
Beautiful.
But basically, the service and everything is exactly the same. 219 passengers.
Oh, this is great.
Yes, it's a huge galley.
So usually what happens is, like on long haul flights, all the catering is supplied from, like, for example, Doha to New York. Everything is supplied, including all the meals planned.
From Doha.
Do you usually have the same number according to the number of passengers you have, or do they give like a stock of
Well,
extras, or how does it
Normally
work?
they do. Normally we do. Let's say normally we do have an extra, but not much.
Okay.
But not exactly. Let's say if we do have 293 passengers,
Yeah.
we don't cater for like exactly 293.
Okay,
So
okay.
basically we do have an extra, probably not much though, probably just about like 5 or 10 maximum.
All right.
And also, yeah, so that was it.
Okay.
But that's why normally we do have few options. We do have for US flights, we always have 3 options, which is not something they're asking for vegetarian. It's like one of the option as well.
Alright.
So chicken, beef, or vegetarian. That's why normally in economy class, as far as I remember, because I'm in business class crew.
Yes.
So as far as I remember when I was economy class crew, yes, that's what we always do.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
This aircraft has been already serviced, right?
Pardon?
Has been in service already, flying
Yes.
with revenue
Yes.
passengers?
Yes, I guess so. I'm not too sure I can answer that. But
Yes, you
yeah,
can.
no, we
Somebody-
open the front doors or all that. So that one we have extra storage as well. On our flight. And also here as well. And we do have a partition as well for safety reason.
How many lavatories do you have for economy class?
So for economics we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
fine.
Yes, we're fine.
Business.
Cool.
Right, so it's slightly different for flight deck, crew flight deck bunk is we do have 2 bunks here,
Uh-huh.
and we do have 2 seats. Yes, which is it has we do have a screen as well there, which is in cabin crew bunk. We don't have any screen. Would you like to go?
Yes, please.
Yes. Well, we just wait for it to go.
Oh, wow.
Hello, how are you? Well, thank you.
Okay, so we sleep over here. Like more or less a business class seat. I should have been a pilot.
It's hot here.
They're not working on AC yet.
How is it?
It's hot.
It is pretty warm there.